Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you through how to use Google Translate. And to use Google Translate, we are going to open your web browser. For example, for me, I have Google Chrome. That is the web browser I have. And someone might have Mozilla Firefox or any other web browser. So for me, I have Google Chrome. So what I'll do here is to search for Google Translate. Some people have apps for Google Translate on their phones, which will make it a little easier. So when I click here and I search for Google Translate, you see what it shows me. If I search for Google Translate, it will just show me there. So you will get your translate page. So sometimes the reason as to why you need to know how to use this Google Translate is sometimes you may travel to a place and you don't understand the language, and yet you have to communicate. Several times I have seen people maybe have traveled from maybe Gulu to Kampala. Someone knows Acholi, but you cannot understand Luganda, and yet most people in Kampala use Luganda. So you find it very difficult to communicate because of the language barrier. But with Google Translate, things are made a little easier, and you will be in position to communicate without knowing that language. So here I've also seen people traveling, flying to different countries, and find a lot of difficulty to communicate. There is no relation or there is no similarity between the languages, so you'll find it very difficult. So if you have Google Translate either on your phone or on your computer, it will make work a little easier for you. So when you open Google Translate, for example, let me open this one. It has many browsers. So if I open there, it will now show you, it will ask you, it will show you the languages. Mostly you have English, you have Spanish, that is English, you have Spanish, you have French. So you need to enter or record what you want to understand, then you will get the translation maybe in English or in Spanish or in something, or you are recording in English and you might need to get the translation in Kiswahili. And if you need to get more languages, you just come to this drop down arrow. Maybe you want Lingala, that is commonly used in Congo. Maybe you need Japanese, maybe you need Spanish. All those languages are there. So all you need to do is enter what you want to search. For example, let me say I want to translate from English. So I can just type I want to translate from English to Swahili, assuming I've traveled to Kenya or Tanzania and I don't understand Swahili. So I might want to borrow some water. So I type in can I borrow some water? Yes. So I've entered. So it has already. So this is what you have entered. Then the app will definitely translate for you in Kiswahili. So here, can I borrow some water? So in Kiswahili it will tell you anaweza kukopo maji fulani. So in most cases it might not you might be communicating with someone who understands the language, so you can just give them your phone or something. Then after typing what you need, if they can be able to read, they can just read what you have written for them, and then they will understand. Or let me say it is not Kiswahili, I'm not in Kenya, maybe I've gone to Spain and I need to interpret from English to Spanish. So I come here and I search for Spanish. So Spanish is somewhere. Spanish is here, so I translate to Spanish. So it will give me the translation here. So I don't know how to read Spanish, but I'll be able to the person I'm communicating to will be in position. So assuming I want to ask for a direction, maybe I want to ask for where is Gulu, is Gulu from Kampala. Yes. So you see how it gives me, that is, I'm already translating from English to Spanish, and what if I want it in Swahili? I can just still come here, look for the language I want, I put there Swahili, so it will show me Gulu huko wapi kutoka Kampala. Yes, where is Gulu from Kampala? Gulu kutoka wapi Kampala. So you can see how important that can be. Or sometimes you might not be in position to write, but you can also decide to record. Just record, and someone will, and then you'll get the translation. So I can decide to record what I'm doing here. So I allow this to record, and I say, hello, how are you? Can I know the meaning of the word Pentagon? Yes. Then I stop. So it will transform what I'm recording into writing, then it will translate the writing which it has gotten into. So what if I want to listen to it? So I can just come here.
Naweza kujua maana ya neno Pentagon ndio.
It is already playing for me. I can decide
naweza kujua maana ya neno Pentagon ndio.
So you can, that means I can communicate even directly with someone who is in Kenya or Tanzania using that. So basically that is what I wanted us to go through today. And thank you for watching this video, and in the next in our next video we shall be doing Microsoft PowerPoint. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice time.